Chapter 18, Sloka 73. Arjuna Uvacha, Arjuna Uvacha, Arjuna Uvacha, Nashto Mohasmritirlabdha, Nashto Mohasmritirlabdha, Nashto Mohasmritirlabdha, Tvatprasadanmayachyut, 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 Arjuna Uvacha, Nashto Mohasmritirlabdha, 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 Tvatprasadanmayachyut, Stitosmi gata sandehah, Stitosmi gata sandehah, Stitosmi gata sandehah, Karishye vachanantava, Karishye vachanantava, Karishye vachanantava, Stitosmi gata sandehah, 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 Karishye vachanantava. Arjuna Uvacha, Nashto Mohasmritirlabdha, Tvatprasadanmayachyut, Stitosmi gata sandehah, Karishye vachanantava.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.